tasty?
There's 3, going for 4. No, you gotta shit first. He's doing the gotta shit dance, but he doesn't gotta shit. Oh, there we go, just excited. 5. It takes it a minute longer to swallow now. You see how he's holding his neck up now? You can see his neck and his head.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Standing in his poo.
Whoa.
Ooh, he says he's gonna come out, is what he says.
He figured it out.
Says, how about I come out there and get the food from you?
Well, I won't. That's good, that's a step up, you know, I mean.
That's a good sign. That means he'll leave eventually.
Oh no, he's not hungry. Some of that water. We'll pick the worms too.
There you go. Good boy.
7 of them.